new launches are like amazing, and when you have it exclusively, it's like even more fun. Blue Heaven is a cruelty-free brand. It's an Indian brand, and it's an affordable brand. So if you are somebody who is into Indian brands, who is into cruelty-free brands, and who is into affordable brands, you must watch this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi, and if you're new here, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that little bell to stay notified and be part of my cat fam. That would be like awesome. Let's get started with today's video, which is about a very new launch. Like, it's literally new launch. I don't think you would find it on any website except for mine. The link is in the description box. And yes, we are talking about the Blue Heaven lip liners. But before that, I want to talk to you guys one-to-one about certain things. So yeah, the review will start right here, and before that, let's just talk. So guys, I have not been replying to your comments on Insta and here as well, and I'm really sorry about that, but I hope you guys know I have been running really busy, and I know you guys might be upset with me. कहाँ मैं हर कमेंट का रिप्लाई करती थी, कहाँ मैं शायद 2 या 4 कमेंट्स का रिप्लाई कर पाती हूँ. बट गाइज, जस्ट बी विद मी. आई डू रीड ऑल योर कमेंट्स. हर एक कमेंट्स मैं पढ़ती हूँ और जितना हो सकता है उतना रिप्लाई करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. बट इट डजंट मीन दैट आई डोंट लव यू. आई लव यू होल हार्टेडली बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज. सो या, एंड ऑन दैट नोट, द गिव अवे winners are in the description box. So if you guys are interested in knowing who the giveaway winners were for the Colourpop giveaway that I was running, check out the description box. And also one more thing is that there are 3 days holidays like Saturday, Sunday and Monday because of Raksha Bandhan. So if you guys are planning to place an order before that, your order would be dispatched probably on Wednesday, not before that, because I am taking a 3 days off. So yeah, that was another thing that I just wanted to put up. And let's get started with today's video because I'm really excited about it. But I don't know if other websites do have these or not, but I do have them. The link is in the description box. The Blue Heaven came out with these lip liners which are amazing. These are the Blue Heaven Walk Free lip liners. Now, how I got to know about it is Blue Heaven was running a contest on Instagram where there were like 3 lip liners dancing, and the contest was that you have to guess the product. So it was neither a chapstick nor a lipstick, but it made your lipstick last longer. So it could be just 2 things, either a lip liner or a lip primer. So I just asked the Blue Heaven people like, what is it? And they say that they have come out with new lip liners and they look something like this. So yeah, let's begin with how these are. These come in 6 different shades, and the lip liners are really basic. They have this black cap and the color coordinated bottom, which is amazing, and these are retractable, which is another amazing thing. And you get a lot of product. Just look at that. You get a lot of product in the pencil, and the quality of the pencil is quite decent. It's not like very expensive, but it's not cheap as well. Like, the plastic on it is not cheap as well. The cap is really sturdy. It won't open and go anywhere, so that is amazing thing. And these retail for 125 rupees, which for a lip liner is expensive, but I think it's totally worth it because it is not just a lip liner. It's totally a lipstick. Like, you can wear it as a lipstick. It is that creamy. It doesn't tug your lips. It doesn't pull your lips. It just glides onto your lips like so smooth that you would love it. And since it's in the form of a lip liner, it's very precise. You can just outline your lips and just fill in your lips, and you're good to go. So that is why I'm saying for 125 rupees you're getting almost a lipstick, which is in a lip liner form, which is very precise to apply. They have a color like this. Like, this one is on my lips right now, and you can see the color payoff is awesome. You don't have to like rub it on to get this color. It's like one swipe and you're good to go. However, some of the colors are like, the lighter ones are the ones which you might have to go twice or thrice, but this one is awesome. Like, seriously awesome. They come in these kind of cardboard packaging with a plastic front and a back which says all the information about the lip liners. So it also has a how to apply instruction and a tips and tricks instruction as well, and it is made in India, and it's for 125 rupees, and it's manufactured and it's manufacturer and expiry date. Everything is written at the back of it. Now, the only con that I feel in this lip pencil is that it doesn't have any name or number written on the pencil itself. So they are just number coordinated. So this one that I'm wearing on my lips is number 3, and number 3 is mentioned nowhere on the pencil. It's just the cardboard that has the number written on it. That's it, which is kind of not good because they could have mentioned 03 right there, but that's okay. They're color coordinated, that's fine. But yeah, I still wish if they could have just mentioned 03 on the actual packaging itself also. Apart from that, there is nothing bad to say about these lip liners. I actually love them. They are pretty matte, but they do transfer because they are in the form of a stick, so they do transfer. They're not transfer proof. They're completely matte, which is another thing. I know matte is in right now, so they are matte, but they are not drying at all. They are very comfortable to wear on your lips. They do not dry out your lips, which is amazing. So they do transfer, but they transfer very little. If you see, they do transfer, but they transfer very, very, very little, which is awesome. So that means they are going to last on your lips for a really long time, and they also do stain your lips for the color that it is, so they don't look weird when they are like gone. So yeah, you can wear it underneath your lipstick, you can wear it all by themselves, you're good to go. Lip liners do not have a fragrance as well, which is another great point. Yeah, that was about the Blue Heaven lip liners. Let's move on to the swatches of all the 6 colors. My favorite were the number 6, the pink one, and I also like number 4, which was a more dark maroonish kind of a red, and also number 3. These were like my personal favorite. Do let me know which one did you like in the comment section below. And yeah, if you want to purchase this, the link is in the description box. And to be really honest, there is nothing bad to say anything about this except for the numbering part, because once the cover is gone, you don't even know which shade it is. So that is really saddening. But apart from that, the lip liners are really amazing. They are matte and they are non-sticky. They do not have a fragrance. So all in all, it's a great buy. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.